Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we came to test drive a Tesla car. It's a Model 3. I'll be sharing with you our experience. It could be useful to you. Do watch it till the end. There were Model S, Model X, and also Model 3. So I was just going through the interiors of all the three cars. Well, this is the Model 3 car. We have booked a test drive in one of these models, which I'll be showing you later. It's a cool model, comfortable inside, but if you look at the dashboard, there's nothing. It's all in the software. This is the Model X in Tesla. It's a bit pricey and also very stylish one. Looks cool. Now that's the charger for that. No need of any fuel, petrol, diesel, etc. It's just the chargers, electricity. That's the coolest part of it. So after checking these models, we just got into our car for the test drive.
The steering wheel. So when it says P, the car's switched off. When it's on, it'll show 0 mile per hour.
Okay.
Sat nav is fixed to the left, and it has all the charging points, which are all installed on there.
Oh, okay.
So they're the fast chargers. Down at the bottom, you've got things like volume, which you can do for the steering wheel as well.
Okay.
Front and rear demisters,
Yeah.
heated seats,
Okay.
temperature.
All right.
Click on the fan, and you can then adjust how fast the fans are going to be blowing.
Right.
Music. If you want to play when you're in the car, click on the music, slide this up,
All
and then you can
options,
choose
yeah.
through all your different options on there. For the car, this is all your quick controls, so you won't really need to worry too much whilst you're on the drive. Is steering wheel comfortable, or do you need to make any adjustments?
1 second.
Seats are on your right hand side if you need to adjust them.
It looks okay. Yeah.
Yeah, mirrors look okay.
Mirrors. All right. Yeah. Okay.
In here in the driving section, you can adjust the acceleration,
Okay.
how sensitive the steering is,
Standard.
and then the regen braking.
Okay.
In terms of autopilot, is it something that's of interest to you, or not too much for the...
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment, that's cool. Driving control, so you've got indicators up on here, so
Yeah.
obviously up and down. The wipers are automatic, but if you want to wash the windscreen, press and hold that in and it will wash them.
Okay. Manual option.
Yeah, and then the gears are on your right hand side, so you pull the lever all the way down for drive,
Okay.
push it all the way up for reverse,
Okay.
and then when you want to park and get out of the vehicle, push the silver button, that'll put the handbrake on, and then you can exit the car.
Okay. Just pushing this one.
Yeah, to switch the car on, press the key in between the armrest and the cup holders and push your foot on the brake.
Press this
That
one.
one.
Which key?
So you know it's on because it says 0 mile per hour.
What is this one?
So this is the key.
Oh, that's.
So yeah, you place the key there and press the brake. That's how you start it.
Can I see that you can put it anywhere or?
You can, as long as it's there to start it. But then once it's on, you can just leave it in the cup holder. Just make sure you bring that in once you've stopped.
Okay.
And then you've got what gear it's in. So park, reverse, neutral, and then drive. Are you local to the area, or do you want me to set you a route of where to take
Yes,
it?
certainly.
A route, yeah.
Because
So
I'm not so local. I'm in Osset.
I'll click on home, so this will take you out there. So let's take it off our internet. So the sat nav should guide you. If I have it like that, it'll follow the direction.
Where are we going to?
It's about 18 minutes or 12 miles.
So which place? Sorry.
Just up here.
Okay. And then come back.
And then when you get there, just click on navigate.
Okay.
Any questions?
I'm not driven electric. I have a Q5,
Okay.
but I soon drive this first.
The strangest part of it is, after explaining everything, he just left us on our own. And we had to go on the test drive on our own and experience everything. Well, it was really nice. Initially, we found it difficult, but then later on, my husband picked up the speed and handled it very well. I think they are able to track us where we are, so they're not bothered. The way they planned the test route was really nice. It had a motorway, a countryside road, and everything in it. So we almost experienced how this car works on all the roads. It was really smooth, automatic, but then I prefer the manual one. Well, Tesla is a cool car, but I feel it's too cool at this point because there's no feel of the dashboard and everything is too much of software and also it's automatic. So at this moment, I prefer my other cars with the manual gears and stuff. Maybe after a few years, we can think about switching on to Tesla.